Yo, hello everyone, welcome back to a Mrs. Savvy. Yes, today as you can see we are nigga. You say yo. When I say yo, you say yo, man. We just come back from the States as you say. Well, it's another content today, and as you know, we go straight to the point. This is a place of reality, no script, but we have points. We don't deal with scripts, we deal with reality, but we have points. So what we'll be doing today is bro code. We are starting the journey of bro code today, and we really have a long way to go, but we can't rush things. We are going to take it small. Do you understand? So we are going to take 1 to 4 today. We will be taking 4. We'll be taking them 4. So let's start with, who is a bro? Fine, you have friends and you think they are your bro, which they might not be your bro. You only think they are your bro. If you really look at it with these rules, you are going to know who your bro is, who is real. Yes, you can be friends. There are friends there. Though friends are rare, many of you don't know you don't have friends. So you can have course mates, colleague, just someone you know, but friends are more than what many people call. So you understand. So who is a bro? A bro is many things. A bro is not an ordinary guy friend. Like I said, you can have friend who is different from a bro. A bro is not an ordinary guy friend. Bros do a lot of things together, good, bad, funny, or crazy things. It's that bad and crazy things that explain to you. We should not lie for each other. You see, bro to bro. Actually, I have one. I have a bro. Yes, but if you really have it, I don't know about girls, but guys, it's bad things. Bad things are crazy things that they do together, but they do good things together too. But you know all those bad vibe, bad things, and then you get ginger. That's when you have ginger that, hey. Well, it is a close bond that is likely to survive a huge amount that life can throw at it. They survive together. Like I said, I have a bro. Yes, confirm. We survive life together. We've been through many things together. We've done many things together. Strange things, crazy things, bad things, good. Help each other, have each other's back. Many things that you can say. So now, what makes the bro rule so divine, so sacred? The rules give a proper idea on how to maintain your guy friendship with your bros. There are certain lines you can cross and there are lines you can't. Yes, if you have a real bro, you know there are lines you can cross and there are lines you shouldn't cross. That is what bros should know. Your ability to maintain friendship for the rest of eternity relies on keeping these bro code rules. If you want to have a good bro for a very long time, you need to keep up with these rules. Actually, these rules are, I don't think you can, well, there will be, but I don't think you can find a bro who is going to keep up with these rules nowadays due to many things. You know how life is now. We are now in Sodom and Gomorrah life, sure you understand. But these are reality, things you should keep up with as a good bro. Yeah, so that is it. So now we are going to start with the rule 1. Well, there are many rules. There are many bro rules. Bro code. It is plenty. Yes, but anyone we get, we'll be looking at them. And today we are looking at 4 alone. Now the first one is rule 1. I'll be stating them. Rule 1 says bros before girls. Bros before girls. Guy wey like girl well. Guys wey like girls, you know say guy like girls. You now say you should carry bro before girls. Is it not hard? But a good bro will always do that. Now, the rule states that guy should put his bro in priority over the pursuit of the opposite sex. Do you get? You should always put your guy. My question is now, in this rule, they say you should put your bro as priority over opposite sex. Now I have a question for everybody. Now this is where the comment section coming. Now I will need you to I will need your observation, your answer, your opinion, and everything on that. Now my question is, what if you and your friend are into the same woman? You and your bro are into the same woman. What will you do? Like I said, I have a bro. Things like this have happened to us before, and we easily sort things out. It doesn't even go too far. Now, can you do that to your bro? Can you do some things like that for your bro? Now you and your bro are going and you see a girl and you like the girl, your bro also like the girl. What are you going to do? In my own case, I don't know about your opinion, but me, what I did was, there was a day we were going and we saw a girl and bro, now I like this girl and I'm going to collect her. I just be like, okay, go collect her, go and collect the girl's number. So he collected the girl's number, and actually they didn't even have anything to do with each other. So that's where the problem lies in. You don't want to lose the girl, and you don't want to have a fight over the girl as well. And this rule says put your guy as priority before the opposite sex. So what are you going to do? So I will need you in the comment section. I will be looking forward to people's opinion and comments about that. So that's rule 1. Now rule 2, a bro must have another bro's back no matter what. Yes. Like I said when I started, I said I have a bro and we always have each other's back very well. A bro must be there for his bro in times of need, be it financial difficulty, the pursuit of girls, fist fights, and drunken shenanigans. Well, I really love this bro code. See, I like the fact that I have a bro. I don't even know. Well, I used to refer to him as a bro even before seeing all these bro codes. Now after seeing all these bro codes, I realized we are really bros. Now let me start from, in times of need, he has been there, I have been there, we have been there for each other. Financial difficulty, oh my god, must I say, he has been there, I have been there too. Now the pursuit of girls, yay, blood of Zachariah. You see this pursuit of girls, let me give you one scenario. There was one day, me and my bro were just sitting down, and I was like, bro, you see that girl? I say, yes, I see him now. I say, bro, mo chase him now. I say, oh yeah, mo lap abi. We just stand up, we chase that girl. I be like, sister, we are calling you now, wait, you understand? I don't know if I'm permitted to speak Yoruba. We just be like, so I just said, you know, you already clearing the ground for your bro. You be like, I just be like, we are not gba now. She perfect gba number now, so that the girl can know that he really wants to collect a number. You understand? So the girl self is prepared that, okay, this guy that are coming, they want to collect my number. That is what we do, things like that. That is bro to bro. So fist fights, I don't know about that one, but the thing is, well, we don't fight. Me and my bro, we don't fight. But if we are people that like fight very well, we always have each other's back. We go gather collect blow, go out sleep. Yes, we gather go fight. We are going there together to go and fight. And if they want to beat us, they are going to beat the two of us together, and we are going back home. Nothing's up. Yes, that's bro to bro. That's how to have your bros back. You see that it's hard to comply with. Now, drunken shenanigans. Yeah. See this one. When it comes to drunken shenanigans, yes, you can have bro. In fact, bros that have this drunken shenanigan thing, they are very common. You get. Yes, don't let me go too far on that, but I hope you guys understand. Yes. So that's that about rule 2. Now rule 3. Immediate before I state this one, problem go deal. There will be problem. Now rule 3. Immediate female family members of other bros are completely off limits, which means you can't fall in love with your bro's sister. Don't even like her. Not to talk of falling in love. Well, you can admire her. Yes. This means a bro shall never lay hands on another bro's sister or hot mother. Which one is hot mother? These people are funny. Hot mother. Is that not? Say sugar mommy. Is that sugar mommy? Yeah. However, you can comment on the level of attractiveness. Yes, like I said, you can admire them, but you should not fall in love with them. It's not going to end well. I don't think so. I don't think it's going to end well. Well, with my bro, yes, my bro has a sister, and I don't think we only joke about that, which is I just admire her, and we only joke about that. I never fall in love or liked his sister. We just joke about them, and that's it. So I don't think it really makes sense. Yes. So that is that about the third one. Now the fourth one, and that's the last one we are going to be talking about today. A bro's girlfriend and any ex is also off limits. Cheese in Nigeria, I don't know of overseas chat, but in Nigeria, see, even your girlfriend is not safe. Not to talk of ex. Guys, even girls, they make use of opportunity. I don't know. Well, many of these things comes from girls, not guys. But at the same time, when it comes from girls, at least the guy should be able to say, no, this is my bro, this is my friend, this is my bro. I can't do that. As your bro's girlfriend, your bro's girlfriend admires you, and you also gave in, and you guys started having things together. It doesn't make sense. Even if someone is attracted to each other, someone should be able to say, no, this is not right. We all know what is not right. Yes, like I said we are in era of Sodom and Gomorrah. Yes, so this is why things like this are happening. Not to even talk of ex, your friend's ex, someone your friends as you know. Don't let me talk. We should not talk about everything. A girl your friend has and you feel like, okay, she's the next person you want to be. You want to be you don't do that now. You don't do that as a good bro to bro. You don't do that. So you see this bro quoting is very very interesting. Actually, it's very very interesting. Many of it are not being kept nowadays, and that is why I said bros are rare these days. If you can have one, honestly, you'll be very fine, you'll be very okay. So this is where today's show is going to be ending, because like I said, we are going to be talking about just 4, and that is it. But I know many people would like to contribute, and I know you have questions and stuff like that. That this is where the comment section comes in, and I would like, and I'll be very happy to have you all in the comment section, because I know it's going to be very full of fun. So like always, as always, I'm always happy to give you a good thing here, and I'm always happy to talk to you guys, to give you guys reality. And there's only one thing I want from you. There's only one thing that makes me happy. My joy is making you happy, giving you knowledge, serving you knowledge. And what I want to return is you tapping. Okay, we are not in the era of tap. Okay, please just tap on the like button and the subscribe button. Like, comment and subscribe. Always tap, please. Tap. Ebokolofa. Alright, so thank you guys for having me here on the show. We meet next time. I love you all.